friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I wanted to show you some price action in intraday and how to trade the based on the price action. Okay, let me go to the chart. This is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Let's go to the chart. This is the chart of Prism Johnson. See, the Prism Johnson, if we see right, the stock is very bullish. Okay, the stock selection should be like very bullish. Complete V-shaped recovery, right? V-shape kind of fall. Okay, that means whatever the bullish sentiment is there in the stock, okay, that bullish sentiment is wiped off actually. Okay, if we see this kind of thing, right? Always it is going to be like this. Okay, this is what is this? This is cup. This is handle. Okay, so I don't want to trade from here. Okay, what I'm trying to do is this is steep move, upside move, and a steep correction was there. That means it formed the inverse cup. Now I am waiting for the handle to form. Definitely it has to form the handle before going down. That is the trade preparation I was having. What I did was, okay, today is the day high. Okay, you mark, see, whenever you see the candles like this, very bullish candle, remember, very bullish candle with a small gap up. Next candle, the follow-up candle should be there, start from here, and follow-up candle should continue. Okay, the moment if you are not having the follow-up candle, definitely the stock is going to fall. So now this is not the right place to take the trade. If we take next candle, it may come and take the stop loss and it will fall. So what I did was I waited for the retracement. Okay, this is where the 50% retracement is there in this candle total move. In the total move, this is the 50% retracement. Okay, if we see the 50% retracement, this is where already it had the 50% retracement. After the 50% retracement, I wanted to take when this green candle engulfed. This entire green candle, right? This green candle. This green candle, after the retracement, if this green candle engulfs by the red candle, if this green candle is engulfed by the red candle. Okay, this is what my entry is. 217 is the entry. Okay, this is where it engulfed. 217.74 is the price. It is engulfed. Next candle, I initiated the trade. I initiated a trade at 17. What is my target in this case? Okay, 1:1. I don't want to get more. Okay, this is where if we see 220.6. 220.6. That means 221 is my stop loss. Just above that. So what is my target? My target is wherever the previously the breakout happened, okay, which is like 213 something like this, wherever this red body closes, 213 is the my target, because 1:1 I wanted to trade in this. Okay, if my entry is 17, my stop loss is 21, my target should be at least 4 points. I need to get it. That is what my trade plan. So as per that, after engulfing this entire green candle by the red candle, I initiated the trade and successfully my target hit. Okay, if we see trade details, by 10:30, okay, 217 is my entry. By 10:30, if we see it was engulfed, right? 10:15 somewhere, 10:10. This is where 10:25 candle. Okay, I was waiting and I took the 10:25 candle. It will come for the retracement. Okay, 10:25 candle. I made 217 is my entry. After my entry, this was my entry. After my entry, it went up but not hit the stop loss. It came back and hit the target. Okay, this is how we have to trade very carefully by observing the patterns, by observing the moves. Okay, this was the steep move, steep correction. Total this green is engulfed by the red. Now who is the dominator? The red is the dominating. So I wanted to trade in the red side. That is where I initiated the trade and I got the good amount. Okay. So what is this? 217, 214, 4 points, 4 into 5,000, which is the 20,000 is the profit. Okay, which is 20,000 is the profit. Okay, this is how we must trade. We must trade on the intraday. So we need the trend, we need the pattern. How to identify the trend? I identified the trend because this was very bullish move. Okay, entire bullish sentiment engulfed by the bearish sentiment. Now it transformed into the bullish to bearish. There is no probability of going very soon here because of the fear. This continuation rate, I wanted to look into the red side. Some small retracement, I utilized this as an opportunity and done the trade. So this is the intraday trading we should do without any. See, I don't have any any indicators. I use, this is my own indicator. Sometimes rarely I use. Okay, which contains 2 3 indicators merged together inside this. I don't use the indicators much. Okay, cup handle. Maybe if this breaks out, okay, if this breaks out, it may go further down. It may go further down. Since I am the risk reward trader, I got my reward for my risk. Okay, that's all, friends, in this video. Okay, thank you so much. If you like my trading strategy, please press the like button. Thank you so much.